discussed by very many.
Where people need a school, government IUD on a jubilee that the DPs see. A lot of input has gone in.
There's always a temptation to keep off and to, maybe say, let the politicians do it and let those others do it. But the greatest act of patriotism, the punishment given to people who don't vote, is to be ruled by fools. Death must be a last resort. We cannot run away from what we can do to generate our own resources because it is easy to borrow people's money. We don't have the luxury of such shortcuts. You find your students selling roasting maize and selling on the road. That you didn't teach them to roast maize, but that's what they're doing. So we need to fix the challenge of youth unemployment.